won't believe this incredible CNC machine. Laser Engraver CNC 80W 40W DIY Laser Engraving Machine Fast Logo Mark Printer Cutter Woodworking Wood Plastic Rodspon LC 400. Buy right now to get 50% off with link in our video. The latest laser beam shaping diode laser LC400 laser engraving machine adopts the latest 4080W laser beam shaping technology diode laser with ultra-fine 0.01 mm sharp laser focus, fast focusing and high-precision laser engraving machine. LC400 laser engraving machine has the fastest focusing design and sliding design. When connected to a computer, you only need to control the computer to complete the fast focusing of the laser engraving machine. Sturdy and easy to assemble structure design. The all-metal structure design makes the laser engraving and cutting machine extremely sturdy and improves the engraving accuracy, safety and protection design compared with other laser engraving machines. Our laser engraving machine is equipped with a very convenient power switch. Specifications: model, laser engraving, material, aluminum profile, control board, Rodspon LC400, laser wavelength, 445 nm 5 nm, laser power, 40W 80W, output power, DC 12 volts 4A, accuracy 0.01 mm, engraving speed, 1000 mm mean, carving method, USB online. Interface, micro USB, file format, NC, DXF, BMP, JPG, PNG, etc. Engraving mode, image engraving, text engraving, scanning engraving, outline engraving, pixel engraving, etc. Support software, Benbox GRBL. Support language, Chinese, English, Italian, French, Russian, German. Support system, Windows XP 7, 8, 10. Continuous working time, 3 hours. Support material, wood, plastic, paper, bamboo, oxhorn, leather, sponge paper, etc. Engraving size, 400 mm. Machine size, 616577 to 12 mm. Package weight, 6.8 kilograms. Buy right now to get 50% off. Link in this video description. You can get this incredible CNC machine only for 165 hours.